Dictation of advanced phrasography. So we ready? One, two, three, start. Without consent, it will become necessary in a majority of cases at a later stage. Bill of lading, insurance company, external affairs, in some places, week by week, week after week, to go into details. Mr. Chairman, sir, by way of it would be desirable one step further. We hope and trust Mill Owners Associations Monday morning, as far as we can. We sincerely thank you. Rate of growth. This point of view, your point of view, keep in view my point of view, their point of view. I shall inform you. We have informed you. We write to inform you. From month to month, I have informed you. I will inform you. This is to inform you. I have to inform you. I will be informing you. We have been able to. We have arranged Law Minister, Education Minister, Transport Minister, Labor Minister, Health Minister, Home Minister, Defense Minister, Food Position. Speak to you again. Serious problems to the people. I would go to the extent of Deputy Prime Minister to the best of our ability of our corporation working of the electricity board. With these observations, I am of the view, I am therefore of the view, business connection. I rise to say a few words, I rise to speak a few words on the sales tax bill, health of the people of the country as a whole, rural electrification scheme, survival of the industry, daily basis, have to be carefully considered. Democratic setup, successive 5-year plan. In the past, we are enclosing here with primary and secondary education, interim relief, directly and indirectly, as far as India is concerned, submit an application. Education, trade and industry is likely to come. Most important one, sir, I welcome this bill. In the last year, in the last few years, during the last few years, in the last various years, judgment of the Supreme Court before this Honorable House, raising the living standards, employees of the state governments, further development, economic burden in the contexts of has changed, had changed, have changed. It would be absolutely, it would be very, in order to overcome, in order to become in our income, suitable action can be taken. Suitable action will be taken. These questions on a previous occasion stand in the way of the House is aware. I am glad to inform the House it would be difficult, it would be very difficult about this matter on this side or that side. Border security force, security of the nation, electoral rules, police constable, mutual trust, constitution amendment bill for the welfare of the nation, for the welfare of the country, general level, foreign aid. It is quite possible. I agree that there is, but the fact remains 5-year plan with the implementation of that you are interested, mutual relations. I have pleasure to welcome. I have pleasure in welcoming you. I would venture to say Indian economy, unemployment and poverty in a country like ours, external resources up till now, burden of taxation in other parts of the world, in various parts of the world, Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Indian Chamber of Commerce Industries between this country and the, if I may so with respect, if I may so with respect, I would like, if I may, foreign aid to this country will be awarded within the limits of growth in an industrial production, addressing a mammoth gathering, addressing a mammoth gathering, wrong to think for our country. Each part of our country, each part of India, in other parts of India, in some parts of India, in a sense, but there is no doubt during this period, during a planned period for the country, industrial resources, high rates of growth, short period, there is dearth of corporate tax, industrial licensing policy, progress of the economy. It is therefore necessary that there it is therefore necessary that there should be it is necessary that there is it is therefore necessary that there has to be, in continuation of your letter, financial resources of the country, financial position of the country, I beg to inform you another decision, entirely different position. We sincerely trust trade union friendly relations. We sincerely hope and trust. I am extremely sorry to inform you during the financial year, bring the matter to the notice of, brought the matter to the notice of, bring the matter to the attention of, brought the matter to the attention of Minister of Health and Family Planning, scientific personnel, technical personnel, technical assistants, science and technology. During there, I can look into what is the position. I am not going into details. National unity, lessons to learn, go a step further. I would go a step further. I would, I would go one step further. On behalf of the government, I would like to make a special mention. I would like to make a special mention. I would like to make a mention. Responsible. You must be aware that with regard to the commission, it is rather difficult. I am not going into the question of no confidence mention, no confidence discussion. I have very great pleasure in welcoming you. Please refer to our conversation. We are glad to inform you we are in a position under registered post. I shall be glad, we shall be glad, he shall be glad, you shall be glad, I will be glad, he will be glad, you will be glad, I will be happy, I shall be happy, we would be happy. Ministry of Health and Family Planning, present day world, in the world market, let the foundation store. Speaking on the occasion, President Nixon administration involvement, there is no change. This is the first time to find out ways and means. It should also be evolved, evolved, evolving. It gives me very great pleasure. Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting, distinguished gathering, that there should be between this country and the India's economy during the period. Responsibility of the government is said to have been, so far as India is concerned, are likely to become living condition of the people in the various states during the last year, or otherwise dangerous effect that you are interested Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, Industrial growth, step in the right information, step in the wrong direction, step in the right direction, step in the wrong direction for a considerable period of time. Different parts of the country bring to operation to deal with the matter. I do not think that there is, sorry, I do not think there is any. I have no doubt that the, I have no doubt will ultimately, it will ultimately, which will ultimately, if I may speak, will be in a position, honorary secretary, Madras State, economic development of this country, economic growth for a few hours, for a few months. Only other view, honorable secretary of the company, just as well as it will be considered welcome address under the constitution, under the constitution of India. It should be necessary, it will be desirable. I beg to acknowledge receipt of your letter. I sincerely hope, we sincerely hope constructive criticism, destructive criticism